Joanna Cuevas. Batang Infanta po. Noon ka lang dyan. Nanghihina ka na. Joanna Cuevas.
Kita!
Parang Infanta. Ito. Shoutout sa asawa ko, Jeffrey Cuevas. Go, go! Galing nga kay Miss Joanna Cuevas. Diretso kayo, diretso. Diretso. Ayun yan, Saraos. Flow, nice move.
Doon tayo. Doon sa gitna. Yung kita dyan.
Arab Knights. Pwede rin siya lang kaya. Pass to Beltran. Lakyan ni Mr. Jeffrey Cuevas. Ako ni Mr. Makalay. Coast to coast, may foul.
Video muna tayo dito.
First personal foul.
Video muna tayo dito.
Foul in the shooting 2 free throw awarded to number 11. Makalay. First row, wala. Last row rin ni jumper. Second row, last row rin ni jumper. Split charity 1 out of 285. Yun yung latayan. Accelerate, dribbling behind the back. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Beltran, fake, penetrate. 10 seconds to shoot. Full of shot. In circle Beltran, wala. Ako Dumay. Dumay, strong na basket. Lukal kay Saraos. Saraos, piso-piso yan off the glass. Offensive rebound. Left-handed shot. Isa na lang. 8-7. Isa na lang ang inahabol ang Arab Knights. Na tayo ng Titimon. Pass to Beltran.
Arab Knights sila ko iba.
Okay,
Sila ko iba.
tayo.
Oh, Arab Knights.
15 seconds on the shot clock. Beltran running shot. Yes, sir!
Tatang.
Gutierrez. Looking for the right guy. Kick out kay Saraos. 12 seconds to shoot. Saraos. Pull up jump. Wala. Ayun yung latayan. Pass to Magtagad. Magtagad. Strong right to the basket. Black yan. Same ball. Same ball tayo with 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. A foul. Foul number 18. Saraos. Substitution ball run. Uli siya out. Shoutout kay Manager Alan Ora ng Arab Knights. Baka nanghihina na din. Galing yan kay Miss Joanna Cuevas. 11-7. Pinaraktis ko mga bata natin. Kayang-kaya na nila yan. Good for 3. 3 points. Babasa isa. 11-10 ang unang reserve sa inyo ng Lebara Mobile Philippine Line, Jollibee, LTC, Beltran, Airball, Salzburg, PLDD Team Ball sa tulong ng SBT Abot. Sulit pass kay Saraos. Saraos. Spin. Kick out kay Mr. Jeffrey Cuevas. Saraos. Full of jump. Wala na. Ako na Beltran. 3 minutes 45 seconds. Pass the ball run. Ball run. Float. Airball. Nakakuha na kayo ng Cuevas. Relax na rate. Cuevas goes to goal. Change favor tayo. 12-11, 1 point lead ng Arab Knights. Mendoza. Strong dive to the basket. Nice speed kay Magtagad. Pero may foul. Foul Mr. Tomais.
Grabe si Tatang!
25.
Tatang! Sab! Tatang, labas!
Tomais, your second personal foul.
Tatang, labas!
Ganun yung word, dapat hindi tinatawag na tatang. Oh.
Ay, bigay na reserve lang, reserve Dumais. Okay,
Toy!
reserve.
Toy!
Ay, Toy!
First
Toy!
draw,
Toy!
back
Bakit
to
Toy?
sige, reserve, reserve
Tama
naman.
pa ako doon. No?
Pag pumasok.
Pag ganun yung word, dapat hindi
Second
tinatawag
draw
na
naman
tatang.
agad.
Dapat totoy.
Toy!
Okay, substitution.
Toy sa
2 out of 2, 30-12 substitution. Dumais out, Bawa in. Si Subadel tayo, lamang naman ang isa, ang Arab Knights. Key Aljabar, 13-12. 3 minutes 15 seconds ating first period. Jeffrey Cuevas ng Titipan. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Tira!
Sara, sumubok sa tres. Wala. Kauli mo ni Voltron. Voltron, zigzagging. Pass to Latayan. Latayan, ang daming nilusutan. Pero sa baba pa lang yan. Foul number 18. Sara, second personal foul, warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Beltran, kita na bola. Shot clock, 10 seconds. Beltran, umupo sa area, hindi lang na-convert. Sino makakuha? Same ball tayo with 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Ngayon, magtagat, pull-up jumper ball. 13-12, 1 point lead ng Key Aljabar. Shoutout sa iyo, Mr. Franny Nasis. Nabibiwing, Boa, off the glass, no good. Rebounded by Mendoza. Pass to Latayan. Latayan almost losing the ball. Dalawa ang mamatay sa kanya. Pinabayaan na lang si Latayan. Sarao, stop and pound. Wala. 2 minutes, 3 seconds. 13-12, 1 ng Key Aljabar. Under 2 minutes, Latayan. Pass to Voltron, pull-up jump. Wala.
Totoy! 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 Totoy!
Intercept. Ako ni Magtagan. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza sa tres. Bang! Mendoza. 3! 16-12, 1 minute 32 seconds. 4 point lead ang Key Aljabar. Shot clock, 14 seconds. Bakal. Pull up jump, no good. Nakon ni Mr. Pagsaga sila tayo. Voltron, strong back to the basket. Takalikod shot. Wala. 1 minute 13 seconds. Bullet pass.
Totoy, baba
1 minute
Totoy!
8 seconds. Stop and pass Latayan. Scoop shot. Kapit na kapit ang pektus niyan. 18-12. 1 minute. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. 45 seconds. Shot clock. 12 seconds. Okay, foul. Okay, substitution. Okay, sige, pasok. Latayan out. Buagas. Mr. Buagas. 41 seconds. Mendoza favorite spot. Bang! Mendoza. Ang president DJ nga ng para mobile Filipino 9 LBC PLD Timbo.
Pinsan ko yan, pinsan.
20 seconds. Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 10 seconds. Okay, traveling violation 9 seconds. Shot clock is off. 9 seconds. Shot clock is off. 21-12. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Mendoza, same spot. Same result. Malapit si Mendoza. Adorno. Pass to Boha. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Boha. Nawala na bola. Ako ni si Laksamana. Laksamana tingnan si Peron. Pass to Bulang. Buagas. 14 seconds to shoot. Laksamana. Huling-huli ni Adorno. Adorno. Almost losing the ball. Pass to Peron. Pass to Baradas. Baradas accelerate using his body. Good for 2. 24-16, baba sa 8. Nasa ba ng Kidimon? 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to Buagas. 10 seconds to shoot. Buagas. Nice strong side to the basket. Shot clock. 5 seconds. Pull up jump. Na-release. Reset. Pero nakuha na ng Arab Knights. Cadorna. Strong side to the basket of the glass. Wala. Deep pass. Pero baseline jumper. Wala. Nakuha na ngayon ng looking at whistle. Wow, Mr. Ferron, number 9. Substitution. Ay, hindi para sa substitution. Palabas pala yun, si Voltron. Good 4-16. Wagas. Pass to Castres. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Magandang dribble.
From 26 fights for 3 na good. Tako na yun ni Sir Jeffrey Cuevas. Pass to Marcona. Cadorna. May foul. Basket count and 1. Okay. Basket count, foul number 25. Holding foul.
Wala sila sa buhay. Time out kayo.
Sayang yung lamang nyo.
Substitution. Sige, kuha na niya na mga bossing.
Magabol. Nandun si Pinsan, no?
Okay. Bonus shot, ready jumper. Si Mr. Cadorna. Wala. Power rebound ni Mr. Baradas. Shot clock. 10 seconds Baradas. Pass to Boa. Pull up jump. Wala pa rin. May whistle. Aminado. Si Mr. Baradas doon. Pushing foul. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Si Pinsan, no?
Buwangas. Solo pass kay Laksamara. Intercept. Turnover na ako ni Boa. Boa coast to coast. Wala. Offensive rebound. May yumapos na. Okay. Foul Mr. Laksamana. Number 11. Oh. Substitution. Sige, latayan. Foul number 11. Holding foul. Sige, pasok. Latayan.
Pero yung pala nag-ubod yun.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Basket!
24-21. 24-21, ha? Tatlo na lang yan, 24-21. Mendoza behind the back pass kay magtagad. Pull up jump, wala. Ako ni Boa. Intercept, tama kaya ni Latayan. Latayan na, sinausaw po. Bago yung sinubok. 26-21, high point lead ng Iyal Jovan. Okay, offensive foul. Offensive foul number 20. 30. Baradas your second personal foul. 13 foul. Abueva, dapat na. Latayan, tapik na Cadorna. Wala, pabalik sa araw tayo. Substitution. Cuevas, Mr. Jeffrey Cuevas out. Makalay. Makalay pala, sorry.
Kel, tira mo na dyan.
Oh, para sa lahat yan. Hey, Oberon. 12 seconds to shoot. Baradas, bola no bounds.
Talbo na buhay ba kayo, ha?
26-21, 5-point lead ang kalamangan ng Iyal Jovan. Ang Buwagas, drifting between the legs, pass to Latayan sa 3!
Very good.
Latayan! 3:29-21. Sige, reserve lang. 5 minutes ang nalalabing oras sa ating second quarter. Padona, bounce pass kay Boa. Boa, spin. May foul. Okay, sige. Foul number 9, Mendoza. Sige, pasok, ball front. Parada south. Mendoza, your second personal foul, 13 foul.
Kasi yung regional dapat.
Foul nila akong shooting. 2 free throw awarded to number 8.
Nasa game kayo?
Paskog lang yun.
First row, wala. Okay, ang ating last game, 5-7 lang division pa rin ito. Magandang laban din ito. Kawi Coffee versus Telco. Okay, last row, ready jumper.
Lang dong daw.
Okay, shout out kay Eric Carmen.
Aga pa, last game pa kayo eh.
Okay. Shot clock 13 seconds. Shot clock 13 seconds.
Saka na mo, eh.
Shot clock 10 seconds. Sabay, baseline jumper offensive rebound. Basket count and 1. Basket count, foul number 23. Illegal contact to the head while in the shooting. Bonus shot awarded to Mr. Makalay. Sige sir, pag pumasok ang bonus shot, pero serve tayo sa substitution. Warning for penalty, divided by Mendoza. Natayan, may taka na bola. 6 ang inahabol ng Arrow Knights. 4 minutes 30 seconds ating second quarter. Shot clock 15 seconds. Buwakas, pass to Magtagat. Magtagat pulot jam, airball. Nakuha ngayon in Mars. Adorna, sasagaksak yan. Left-handed shot. Apat na lang, 29-25. Oras, 4 na minuto. Ayun yun, Buwagas. Latayan, pass to Buwagas. 14 seconds to shoot. Mendoza fake. Penetrate. Pull-up jump. May whistle. Okay. Substitution, illegal, foul number 9. Illegal contact to the hand. Okay. Pero on your second personal foul, both teams warning for penalty. 2 free throw awarded to number 9, Mr. Mendoza. Unang muslo, pasok, 30-25, 5. Last throw, ready jumper. Second throw, Mr. Mendoza, 2 out of 2. Anim, 31-25. 3 minutes, 45 seconds. Pero, nice speed kay Bukalay. Good for 2. Sige, reserve lang.
Beltran, go, Beltran, go.
3 minutes, 28 seconds. Ball throw, titignan. Shot clock, 14 seconds. Pass to Beltran. Beltran, may tanga na bola. Shot clock, 10 seconds. Latayan, off the glass, wala. Tip out to Beltran. Kay Mendoza napunta ang bola. Off the glass, wala. Battle for rebound. Mendoza, sinausaw muna. 3 minutes, 5 seconds. Ang dami natin. Pero quick pass kay Tumay, 3 laban sa 2, Tumay, pass to Cadora, strong na may whistle. Foul number 23, penalty tayo. Penalty